Good morning to all. Today I am going to explain the name of the chapter, that is chemistry chapter, metals and non-metal chapter, metallurgy especially. Let me discuss about the properties of metal and uses of some common important metal. Okay, let me discuss one by one. The first one is, see what is metal. In nature, most metals are found in their combined state. In nature, most metals are found in their combined state. There are few metals like gold and platinum which are found in free state. Metals are most useful of all elements. Even though metals share certain common properties, no two metals are the same. Gold and silver cannot be same. All metals have their individual properties. Individual properties. This makes different metals suitable for different uses. Okay, let me come to the properties of metal. Metals have a metallic luster. These are the main property. Metals are good conductor of heat as well as electricity. They allow an electric current to pass easily through them. Metals are malleable, that can be beaten into sheet, and ductile, that can be drawn into wire. Metals are sonorous, means which struck they produce sound. Metals are generally hard and solid. Exceptions are like sodium, potassium, which are very soft metal that can be cut by knife. Next is mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Metals are generally not brittle. Okay. Next come to the uses of so common metal. Okay. Discovery of new metals has always revolutionized civilization. Let us take some common metal like gold. It is very expensive but used in making jewelry. Gold coins called guinea are of high value. Silver. Let's come to the second metal is silver. It is used for making ornaments. Being a good conductor of heat, it finds use in making utensils. Silver also has medical properties when used in traces, hence it is used for making cutlery. Home silver, like silver chloride, is used for making photographic lens. Next come to the copper. Okay. Copper. It is used in making wire, ductile and good conductor of electricity. It is used in making boilers as it is good conductor of heat. Its alloys are used for electrical fitting. The copper alloys made of copper and some metal. Its alloys are used for electrical fitting and for making decorative articles. Okay, decorative articles. Next come to iron. Iron finds use in industry, mostly in the form of steel. It is so because iron is prone to rusting and thus cannot provide structural strength. As steel, it is used in the construction of building, in the construction of sailing ship, in making many articles of daily use. Next comes to tin. It is silvery white metal. Tin is a silvery white metal. Its strength lies in the fact that it does not rust and is unaffected by food acid. It is also highly malleable. Most of food can, toothpaste, foil are made of tin. It finds use in the making of fuse wire. It is also used in coating tin articles. When tin metals is bent, a sound is produced called tin cry. Coating of articles of iron with tin is called tinning. Next comes to zinc. Zinc. The most important use of zinc is in coating iron articles with its layer. The process is called galvanization. Zinc, being more reactive than iron, does not rust. Galvanized iron is used for making bucket, iron trunk, roofing, etc. Galvanized iron cannot be used for making cooking utensils as zinc is attacked by food acid. This will lead to zinc poisoning. It is used in making containers of dry shell. It is used in the extraction of gold and silver. Let's come to the mercury. It is used in making thermometer. It is used in making barometer. That is, mercury is used in making thermometer and as well as barometer. Aluminium. It is silvery white metal. It is highly malleable and ductile. It is unaffected by food acid. Aluminium is also a very good conductor of heat as well as electricity. Cooking vessels are made up of aluminium. It is used in food packing industry. It is used as aluminium pan to prevent iron from rusting. These are the most important metals I have discussed today. Let me discuss some of the properties of non-metal. Okay. What are the properties of non-metal? Non-metals exist as solid, liquid and gases. Non-metals are not malleable. Non-metals are not ductile. Non-metals do not have a characteristic luxure of shine. Non-metals are bad conductor of electricity as well as heat. Now come to the uses of some non-metals. First one is oxygen. Oxygen is a life-supporting gas. Oxygen is a life-supporting gas. In hospitals, oxygen cylinders are used to give oxygen to patients suffering from respiratory problems. Oxyacetylene and oxyhydrogen flames are used for gas welding. Liquid oxygen is used as fuel in rocket. It is used in the manufacture of important compounds like sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Let's come to the nitrogen. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. It is essential for the growth of living organisms. Plants utilize nitrate compound to form protein, which are building block of life. It is used in the preparation of nitric acid. Nitrogen is used for the preparation of nitric acid. It is used as a preservative as it is inert. Let's come to the carbon. Carbon has two allotropes. One is diamond, another is graphite. Diamond is the hardest substance which is used as a jewelry. It is hardest naturally occurring substance. As graphite, it is used in making electrode. It is also used to make lead in the pencil and its lubricant in fast moving machinery part. Next, soap and detergents are also made up of carbon compounds. Soap and detergents are also made of carbon compounds. Wood charcoal, which is a form of carbon, is used in gas marks and for filtration of water. Let's come to the hydrogen. It is used as a refrigerant. Okay. Hydrogen is used as a refrigerant. It is used as a rocket fuel. It is used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oil to make vegetable ghee. That is most important use of hydrogen is as a refrigerant, as a rocket fuel, and in the hydrogenation of vegetable oil to make vegetable ghee. Let us go next. Next I am going to discuss about the helium, that is zero group element, noble gas. Helium. It is very light noble gas, the second lightest element known. First one is hydrogen. It is used for filling weather balloons, which are used for weather studies. It is used in airships because it does not burn. Helium oxygen mixture is used by deep sea divers for breathing. Very important part. Helium oxygen mixture is used by deep sea divers for breathing. This is all about the uses of helium. Again I am repeating, it is a very light noble gas, the second lightest element known. It is used for filling weather balloons, which are used for weather studies. It is used in airship because it does not burn. Helium oxygen mixture is used by deep sea divers for breathing. Next from the argon. It is a heavy noble gas. It is used for filling incandescent metal filament and electric bulb. It maintains and inert atmosphere, otherwise the filament would react with air on being heated off. It is also used in welding metal. Okay, these are the important non-metal I have discussed. Thank you for today's class. Next day I will do more.